let's start with the skincare first, because the key to good makeup is the good skincare. तो सबसे पहले मैंने टोनर लगाया है. I will mention the name of the products on the screen, तो if in case you want to know, and even I will try to provide the links of the product that will be available for me. Next मैंने लगाया है the moisturizer. This is from Pond's, and this is a really nice moisturizer for all skin types, and especially for the month of summers or monsoon. Next, I'll hydrate my lips, as hydrating your lips is also very important. Next, I will apply the sunscreen, as it is the daytime, so don't forget to apply your sunblock. And also this sunscreen is really nice and vegan and cruelty free as well. Next, I will apply the primer. Never skip primer, because first it makes your makeup long lasting, and secondly ये आपकी skin and makeup के बीच में एक barrier create करता है that will prevent your skin from being damaged. Next, I'll mix my foundation and illuminator. वैसे तो I don't like to apply much highlight, as my skin is mashallah already glowing, but still, as it was my birthday, so I want to add a more glowing. I want more glowing skin, so I just mix both of them. By the way, the foundation was from the Lakme 925 mousse foundation. Next, I will apply the blush, and for the blush I will use Etude House Lip and Cheek Tint, and this is a really nice lip and cheek tint. And if you want your blush to last longer and looks natural, तो apply lip and cheek tint. They looks more natural and even last for a longer time. मैंने सेम ही लिप एंड चीक टिंट को अपने लिप्स पे भी लगाया है. एंड नाउ I will set my makeup. I have skipped concealer because I don't wanted कि मेरा बेस ज़्यादा हैवी हुआ, so I just skipped it. If you want, आप लगा सकते concealer if you need that. Next, I will brush my eyebrows, but I won't fill them because now I will apply this blush as my eyeshadow. This is NYB blush in the shade 02 Cloudy Pink, but I will use it as an eyeshadow. Now I will apply the kajal. Okay, I'm done with my kajal. Now I have curled my eyelashes and will apply the mascara. And this is a really nice mascara and affordable as well. The only thing is that it is not waterproof, but it is water resistant. So now I have used this tissue so that जो extra lip tint था वो इस tissue पे आ जाए. And here I have applied the my Glam lipstick. The free lipstick link will be in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Now I have set the lipstick with compact, and I will set my whole makeup with the makeup setting spray. So okay, I'm done with my makeup, and this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys like this video, found this video helpful, and if you like my makeup, so don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel so that we can meet again. Bye. Stay happy and stay safe.